Yeah, yes, sir. So this week we need reinforcements. We're not skilled enough. One sec, one
Oh,
sec.
okay.
One sec. Production.
Things we hate on. Things we hate. Things we love to hate on real bad.
I'm Anabhan.
I'm Sakshi Shivdasani.
Let's get into the video.
Thanks, guys. Our budgets have increased.
This week's episode, we cover things we hate. That's all I got.
And subscribe, because we hate people that are watching and are not subscribed, but we'd rather you still watch and subscribe. Hit the bell icon like it's a fat fucking booty, a juicy
Smash
booty. Yeah,
Yeah.
just like
I'm
smash it.
very, very, very late on my period.
Really?
Nothing to do with pregnancy for miles. I'm just late because I'm stressed. And so, in that period of time, everything is pissing me off.
My period's as scheduled, but everything is pissing me off as well.
I think it's the moon. The
Yeah.
moon's doing some shit.
Maybe Mercury is retrograding right
Dude,
now.
Mercury was retrograding 8th and 9th of March. What month are we in?
April.
And my head was like being taken through the gutter, actively through that time. There's some realness in planetary shift.
I don't believe in all of this, but like if I know Mercury is in retrograde, I just fuck up my life. Samne se. I'm like, yeah, guys, no consequences.
Yeah.
Mercury is retrograding.
So with that, I'd like to start. I don't like people who like ask you in a first meeting, what's your sun sign? And then after that, they say, and they nod like they know everything about you.
It's like, oh,
Yeah.
you're so Leo.
You know, there was a whole time when I downloaded CoStar, that astrology app, and then I was like, wow, it's super, super accurate. And then I realized the whole thing is that they use your fucking data to feed it back to you as astrology.
I didn't even know that. I think astrology is so general that it's like, oh, you don't like eating breakfast. And a lot of people are like, yeah, I fucking hate eating breakfast. That's so Taurus of me. And it's,
There's a way that like tarot card readers and like vibe people get you. They tell you the most negative thing that can happen to you, and then you kind of fixate on that, and then you're like, oh, everything they're saying is true, you know?
yeah. And it's always like, oh, yeah, your life sucks. But if you buy this like 40,000 rupee ring and you wear it, it'll get better. Follow me for more tips and tricks. And it's like,
Excuse me.
yeah.
Dude,
I have an uncle. He wears like 40 of these rings, and every time his like Guruji will tell him, घर पे ये color करवाओ, घर पे वो color करवाओ. He's having like 4 renovations a day.
Ouch, that's a
From
lot.
this dude's contractor comes and paints the house. I was like,
Yeah, I don't mind if it's like a semi like logical solution. Like for example, somebody I knew, their guru had or whoever had told them that for whatever luck, you go every Saturday and you pour a kg of coal into the river. Now, okay, I don't know if this will bring him anything, but scientifically, the coal in the water purifies it. So I can understand the intention of doing that thing.
yeah.
But like people who tell you, oh, leave like a Parle G on the like the curb of the road, like every Thursday, and you will get married in 6 months. Like that's toying with your emotions. Literally, this woman, I was like, you know, my dad passed away, and is he watching over me? I just want to know. She's like, no, he's passed on. But if you want to talk to him, you can come to the clinic.
Oh
I
my
was like,
God.
I do not want to come and talk to my dad in the afterlife.
You know, your dad is sitting upstairs and going like,
I knew, like, in that moment, I knew also. I was like, if my dad is watching me from somewhere right now, he wants to kick me. Like, he's like, what are you doing?
please
you
don't
stupid
waste
girl?"
your
Yeah.
money. Yeah, no, I feel like that's a full fucking scam that a lot of people fall for. Thankfully, you didn't fall for it. But
Yet. Catch me on the 7th day my period hasn't come, and I'm like, hey, actually, here's 50,000 rupees.
मेरा
Daddy.
period ला दो.
I also don't like people who put ketchup on everything.
I don't like mayo. Mayo, like egg should not do that, and vegetarian mayo is just an imposter.
Scam, scam.
Yeah, like ठीक है, egg mayo one time also I'll be like, at least it's what it's supposed to be. Vegetarian mayo is, ugh.
Yeah, it's bad.
Yeah.
But you know, mayo on momos.
No,
Kinda
no,
slaps.
no, no.
So there's a thing in India, it's the chutneyfication of every dish, right?
Yeah.
A dish comes, it has 6 months to exist as its like own self, and then 7th month onwards they start putting like piri piri sauce and mayo, like
Yeah.
chutney on everything. So now sushi no longer is white, it's like orange.
I don't mind that.
It's gross.
I like the desi version of a lot of things. Like, I like Indian Chinese. I like desi-fied sushi.
I just don't like when they put giant chunks of capsicum in things.
I don't like when people put cheese on everything.
I love cheese on everything.
But like, how can you put cheese on save puri?
Yeah, okay, fine. Not cheese on everything. Not cheese on
Yeah.
everything. But like it just adds like if you're having something that's cheap, like you need to put cheese on it so that it tastes better.
That's any sort of sauce for me. Like, I can eat anything if you give me the right sauce to go with it.
There's only one sauce. There is only one sauce.
Which?
Like people might say, oh, Heinz and this and that. It's the sweet chili ketchup.
Bro, in the yellow and red
Yeah,
packaging,
yeah.
I forgot Maggie, right?
Yeah, Maggi.
Yeah, that the sweet chili sauce is the best.
No sriracha, no nothing.
No,
has
no,
anything
sriracha
in-
mayo slaps.
It's okay, fine. ठीक
It's
है.
the sriracha mayo.
Yeah.
Also, shout out Nagin. Have you tried Nagin hot
No,
sauce?
Oh wait, yeah,
Ooh,
I have. It's very good.
It's
very
chef's
good.
kiss. Yeah.
So one thing I really have been struggling with is like a lot of homegrown Indian rap, like bedroom rap. It's always in Hindi and it's copying a flow of a foreign rapper or like one of the 2-3 big Indian rappers, and it's like just dirty, like cheap beats. Like my neighbor, somebody's like staying in that house right now. They have been making such bad rap music. It's like so bad, and it always has a very like specific name, like Old Monk Azadi or like Paharganj, you know, like something that makes you feel like it's super relatable. Or mera bande gaye, lode gaye. Like it's just like so bad. How many songs can you fill the internet with? The internet is tired. They're like jagah hi nahi hai bhai.
Can
किसके
you
बीच
do
में?
bad rap for a whole episode?
Oh, dude, that fucking Medusa, Mommy, Sedusa, Call Me.
Transition.
I can't. I mean, like,
It
top
didn't
marks.
work.
It did work.
The transition didn't work when you said Medusa mommy. We didn't change our
Oh, sorry.
outfit.
Like, all
Wait, what
respect to Agzi for everything she's building, but of all of her music, that song.
That's the thing. I also don't like what goes viral on Instagram.
I hate what goes
Yeah.
Like, I can't.
Oh, you know what I hate? Alia Bhatt said she likes fucking Leto milk cake for her birthday, and now all I see is people trying to make milk cake.
cake.
And that's not what Alia was talking about, guys. Like, we all know that.
It only hits when you go to London.
Leto. Yeah. She said Leto. He flew it in for her. We
then-
cannot make it.
And then there's so many like circles of content, right? So first it's Alia making the cake. Then it's a pap page covering that Ranbir got the cake for Alia. Then it is somebody making it at home. Then it is Bombay Food Junkie going, "Hi guys, and this weekend we went to the newly opened restaurant in Malad and
That
we
has the
tried Alia
fame.
Bhatt's famous Leto cake."
And then it's the person that's gone to travel and be like, I went to London and had to try out Alia's famous Leto cake.
And then it's the person that went to London and came back to the Indian restaurant and be like, side by side of the Leto cake, London or
And then
Malad.
it's the person convincing you not to get the Leto cake when you are in London.
And then it's the troll guy who's like, अरे पता नहीं ये अमीरों के चोंचले, पता नहीं लेटो के दूध है, भाई बर्फी है, क्या बोल रहे हो?
And Alia was like, please never ask me a question again. Like,
This is why celebrities don't speak.
No.
It snowballs so hard.
dude, yeah, man. I feel bad for Alia, but I also hate Animal, the movie, so two sides.
The,
yeah.
the other day, somebody came up with a term for like nepo babies who aren't like fully in cinema right now, like they're confused in their career. They call them Nepodis. The most Bombaya word ever.
Nepodis. I love that
Right?
word.
I love. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just
Vatavaran.
love the Vatavaran of this pod.
I do love it.
I just love the Vatavaran of your hair.
I like the way your outfit's really going with this Vatavaran
Right?
vibe also.
Oh my god. I hate trends. Nice trend. Don't ever do it again.
But I love troll comments. Like, don't do it again.
The day that I felt like we made it was the day that that random dude like made a reaction
Oh
video
fuck!
to the
I
period.
can't stand
scene.
that dude.
I
Instant
loved it.
fucking fuck. I hate
I
him.
was like, when is my Padma Bhushan coming? I have broken the Indian internet. Like,
you know the saddest part? His reaction video to us has more likes than our video.
as long as it's hitting, it's hitting. Like,
You know the way he'll play a clip. For context, we're talking about adult fluencer who's an incel and he thinks he's doing something, but whatever. Shout out because I think we have more followers than you. But he plays a clip of like any woman and he'll be like, so you think it is man's fault? And then he gets likes. Bro, how lazy. Like, at least create your own content, babe. I'm not here to give you a supply of your content. And all the incels are like, oh, he's so right. And he's like, thanks, I'm
what
your
if he's
daddy.
like he's going through so many like female positivity like reels? He's becoming a feminist. He doesn't even know it.
Yeah.
Subconsciously, like in the future, he's gonna be like, guys, उसका period चल रहा है. उसकी मदद करते हैं. Do you need a brownie? नहीं नहीं तुम नैटली पोर्टमैन जैसी नहीं दिखनी चाहिए. बस नॉर्मल जैसे
बस
भी हो.
तुम जैसी हो वैसी हो.
Cut to Hamza.
Oh my God. They should go.
POV, the podcast co-host you deserve. Hi Sakshi.
Oh my God.
I brought you a Diet Coke before you came because I know how much you love it. I'm so addicted to his videos. I don't care if they're ironic or unironic. In my head, they are unironic. Like, they're so good. Like, he did what YRF has been struggling to do with 100 crores at a
Dude,
time.
I hope he gets an acting debut now.
He
like,
does, he needs
yeah.
it.
He'll do everything the way he does it, and I would watch it for him. Like, I don't think any influencer becoming an actor has influenced me to watch a movie. But if Hamzu, you get a show or a movie, I'll watch it if you play yourself and one of your many characters. I'm not flirting.
There's
guys.
one
I'm
thing
just-
specifically that I hate. It is that all Indian reality shows have music playing constantly and it changes every 30 seconds. Like everything has a track. If you watch Splitsvilla, I feel like there's a DJ sitting like who's not a paid actor. He's just like mixing going
in
crazy.
real
It's
time.
like, yeah. I don't know why Splitsvilla doesn't take out a summer mix, you know, like funk, like
Yeah.
heartbreak funkathon or
Dude.
something like that.
You know, I also hate in reality shows, they purposely make the people look worse.
Yeah.
There's something about the lighting that, like,
It's the fact that they all take them to beaches and then they're all out doing tasks all day.
Yeah.
And by the third day, your foundation does not match.
that's true.
And then the makeup gets ashier and ashier as they
Ashier.
go through. I also don't like the product placements.
Oh, dude, on a supermodel of the year, they used to literally make us walk out and be like, just walk from this live on sign. And
Yeah.
it was like, okay, like 4 times a day, calm down. You're not even paying me. I hate barter work. I hate not getting paid for my time.
Yeah, I agree. I've been dealing with this off late so badly. I just came from a shoot. I was so badly treated. Never in my life have I been so badly treated. And I'm not a crier. I'm not a disagreeable person, especially on shoots.
Yeah.
And they really pushed me to the edge. Like
They were being real assholes.
they were being real
Yeah.
assholes. Yeah, but it's not just like the big brands. It's like
No, it's
small
everyone.
Instagram shops,
Oh.
things like that.
Okay, I hate when like you send an influencer product and for whatever reason the post doesn't happen, whether the product doesn't fit right, whatever. They start acting like you have done chori from
Yeah,
them.
hostile.
Yeah, and it's like, listen, the shout out is you are getting more in the bargain, even if your outfit is 20,000 rupees. I know this sounds rude, but like it is the reality. If an influencer takes an outfit for you, it MRP is at 20,000, she is still the one doing you the favor because
there is a cost to the time that somebody takes. There is a cost to the views. There are costs to many
Yeah.
things. Like,
and the deliverable, if you were doing a branded deliverable, you would charge more.
Yeah.
Right? So it's like that's my biggest pet peeve, and that's why I don't do barter.
and the
that
weird
much
thing is, like,
anymore.
I like to support small businesses. I
Same.
know you like to, and when you really believe in something, you want to put it out. Yeah, like, sorry to plug
Yeah.
it, but I will plug it at this point. These guys are awesome. Naughty Dough. They just sent me a bunch of these cookies. We had reached out to them for paid collaboration. She's like, we're a month old. I'm really sorry we can't do it, but we'd just like to send you the cookies to try.
Yeah, and we tried them. We love them.
They
so
are
shout out
bomb.
Naughty Dough.
Yeah, we love you. So it's like, it's literally that. It's like, I don't mind working with a brand and supporting them, but you can't get hostile and start like demanding, like,
Yeah. And if I get that barter isn't for every brand. Don't do it. That's fine also. Like,
so many people are building their brands based on their own brand. Like, jaywalking is a great testament to that. I mean, he built his entire PR on himself. Then why don't you start putting yourself out? So many brands do it. They start making reels and like
Yeah.
with trendy audio, and they reach somewhere. You spend the time trying to like do it the hustly way.
Yeah.
It's very irritating.
Oh, you know what else I hate?
Yeah.
I hate milk. I like almond milk.
Yeah.
I like an oat milk. I just don't like dairy milk.
I just don't.
I like the chocolate.
Yeah, I don't like the smell of milk.
Yeah, and it also makes your breath really bad after you have it. Like, yeah.
I really and now I've been like not been drinking so much milk, and now I can't stand the taste of it, but I really miss like those thick Oreo shakes and things like that. There were all these things that as a child I was like, when I become an adult now, I'll buy all the candy in the store
Yeah.
and I'll get fucked up.
Now you're like both me time.
Yeah. I can't do it.
I hate that I know what calories are. I was a different person before I started counting my calories, and I saw this in your kitchen as well. But the food weighing scale, shit is like going ham. But I have a food weighing scale, and I like weigh my almond milk and stuff and log it in the app. But
It's painful.
dude, I can't eat at a restaurant that like lists their calories because I'll order the least calorie thing, and I'm just like never happy with what I'm eating. I'm drinking a Diet Coke. 1 cal.
So added to that is like just women's metabolism slowing down. I warn every girl in her early 20s. I'm like, you are not safe. Just wait. If it's not your if it isn't fibers in your ovaries, the metabolism will get you.
At 25, you will hit a second puberty. Your hips will
Come out.
start hipping.
Yeah.
They're preparing you for a birth. But the only thing that died was me on the inside.
I hate waxing in the summer, like because you have to do it every like 1 week if you want to like
Yeah.
swim, if you want to wear any clothes. And right now, I've divided my body into segments.
8 seconds.
8 segments.
Plus 2.
Plus 2. Depends. Sometimes I wear it off shoulder, so I only shave one armpit.
Same.
Yeah. But like at different places on my body, different lengths of hair is growing.
Same. Yeah.
I hate waxing.
I hate any sort of hair removal, but yeah, waxing I think would take the cake. I hate vegan leather because it's just marketing. It's actually plastic, which is just say plastic.
Let's talk about friendships, right? And relationships.
Okay.
So I hate friends who stress you out when you have to, like, I hate when friends take you out somewhere where they know that you can't afford the menu.
Yeah. I mean,
And then you're like, everyone's ordering for the table. It's super awkward because you're going to Dutch the entire thing. You're not going to Dutch that you had fries and water.
yeah.
And even with the water, they'll order bottled water. I'm like, wo to 50 rupees I could have saved, bro. Ye bhi yahan pe bhi ghata ho raha hai. It's like, it hurts.
But I also hate friends that are like, oh, the rickshaw was 23 rupees. That divided by 3 is how much ever. I can't do math. So you owe me 7.5 rupees or whatever. Like, let's just, I pay for coffee, you pay for dessert, like, you know, something like that. Let's reach a middle ground somewhere. But like, I can't do this. You had 3 pieces of the Cadbury, so you owe me 7 rupees.
Yeah,
7 is
that's
the
a
only
lot.
number I can remember.
I really don't like parents who don't make room for their children. Like, let the kid live.
Yeah.
Some parents are so like alive in your child's life, whether it's like the kid is too scared to even say what they want to do with themselves. So it's like, you're an idiot, sit down, or you can't do this, you can't do that. Or your parents keep seeing like every success and victory or failure of yours as their personal failure
Yeah.
and victory. Like, you don't get a chance to live.
I feel like also parents need to like take a test to see if they're ready to be parents before birthing a whole ass child, you know?
What about those guys who bring like their child to a restaurant, but then they bring the didi or the ayah with the kid,
Bro.
and then the ayah is made to sit separately,
Another table.
and then she's like not allowed to order
No.
food. It's awkward.
And if the child burps, they call her like
Yeah.
that and like clean it up. But
It's-
like, it's so weird.
It should be like, it feels a little illegal.
Listen, if she can be trusted to care for your child, she can sit with y'all on the table, I think.
Or keep the kid at home.
Yeah. And I also hate when like people use different cutlery for their staff.
Yeah. Overall, I just feel like a baseline respect is something that everyone deserves.
Deserves.
It's very hot.
Do you hate the heat?
I do hate the heat. But I actually love the heat. I hate winter. Like, I feel like I can't like function in any shape or form in the winter at all. I'm less optimistic. I'm less curious about life. I will only do one outing in 3 days.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm talking about Mumbai winters, so like that's just weather that you can step out in. I hate the bitch that stole my AirPods last week. So I left my AirPods 2 times in the Uber last week. I know, fucking horrible. But the first time I called the Uber guy up and I was like, just come to the location, and he was like, okay, but like, you have to pay me 1,000 rupees. And I was like, okay, fine, fuck it. Like, you know, just come. And then he comes and I was at a shoot. So I said, I'm sending someone down. And he said, that's all fine. Just send the 1,000 rupees down as well. Whatever. Okay, he made a buck. I got my AirPods back. Okay. Now, the next time I left it in the Uber, which I know I should stop leaving things in the Uber. But the chick that sat in the Uber after me, she got off and like sniped the AirPods as well. And we can, it's on lost mode. So we can see the location, and she lives in a really expensive building. Okay, you do not need my 3-year-old AirPods. Just give them back. I know it's a girl because we called the Uber driver and we were like, did you drop anyone off here? And he was like, yeah. So we said, give us your her number. And they were like, वो अकेली लड़की है तो number नहीं दे सकते. And I was like, वो अकेली चोर है. इसने मेरे AirPods चोरी किए हैं.
I actually hate AirPods.
Really?
I just hate AirPods. I think that this is such a scam. Firstly, you can't make any calls, or it's specifically every set of AirPods that I have that no one can hear me. It's always garbled. The battery runs out so fast. You leave one always somewhere. And it's not, it keeps falling out of my ear. Boat headphones, as much as I don't want to plug.
Yeah.
Both, they're actually really good. I bought one for everybody in my family.
Nice.
They like tikau. They take you through anything. It falls, it pops open. I put it back and I put it in my ear.
And since Boat has money, I won't say anything. But AirPods are really good for running. They never fall out.
Running.
Yeah.
You said rutting.
That's because I have a slight cold.
Oh,
AirPods
sorry.
are really good for running. Like, they don't pop out and they have different ear sizes. The more you know. Anyway, I don't have AirPods anymore. Why am I plugging them? Fuck it.
Boat. You get it on Blinkit.
You get Boat on Blink. I love Blinkit.
I hate that there are no inventions for women. that work. Like everyone's so excited about pockets and skirts and stuff. But like when I go to a loo in a public restaurant, a restroom in a gig, like I don't want to sit on the toilet seat. I don't want to get an infection. I'm like squatting, which gets progressively harder as I'm drunk. My legs are shaking. I'm having that Priyanka Chopra moment from fashion, when she like looks at herself in the mirror. She's like, "Oh, what have I become?"
But you're not supposed to air squat.
You are supposed to squat.
No, apparently it's bad for your uterus.
Yeah,
It just
but the
falls
seat is
out.
bad for the rest of my fucking immune
But like
system.
you spray the sanitizer.
No, I don't want to touch the pee.
You don't touch it. You don't lick it,
No,
bro.
but
It's a
the tissue-
sanitizer spray.
I don't want to touch the thing. And people, I'm like, dude, have a little bit of etiquette in the loo, man.
Yeah.
Come on, you
Don't
fucking
leave piss on the seat.
piss on the seat, pad on the floor. I don't want to
Like-
see your blood. Like,
Yeah.
come on.
I don't even like a wet floor. A wet floor can piss me off
So hard.
so bad.
I can understand if there is like poop sometimes because sometimes
Yeah.
the flush doesn't
Dude,
work.
one time
But I'm
I saw...
not going to go there. But I'm like, I still understand. But there's no business that you get up, you see that you've like sprayed on the seat
Yeah.
and you don't clean up after yourself.
But it's the bitches that stand and pee that spray the seat. If you're sitting, you cannot spray the seat.
I'm
So
not
the
gonna
first
sit.
bitch that stands and pees.
Oh, you know what I hate? Like when you go to a gig and you have to like quickly like finish peeing in the first few hours because after that there's that one loo is going to get clogged
Yeah.
with vomit and the floor is going to be really pach and it's going to be disgusting. And then in the middle of all of that also I find couples who have actually gone inside and are hooking up.
What?
Among the
That's disgusting.
yeah.
You know what I hate? When you're on a road trip with like a dude and he says, "Oh, I need to pee," and then he gets up and fucking pees in
A
the
tree.
Yeah, and I'm like, no, like I don't allow guys to pee if they're with me. I'm like, you pee when I pee. It's a group activity.
Oh man.
Yeah,
I
I-
remember like on road trips, you stop, you look for like 1 hour for a place that is kind of secluded. Then you open both the car doors. So you make
you
a little
pee in the
cubicle.
middle.
Yeah.
I could never do that.
I did that a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, how much money would you pay for a public restroom that you don't have to touch anything at all with your butt or your hands?
I mean, it depends, but it depends on like 100 rupees at a venue, that kind of thing.
Then you stand, bro. It costs only 100 rupees to you.
Why? What? It's like 100 rupees per person
I'm saying
entry.
ideally where like someone hands you a tissue, someone puts on the tap for you, someone opens the door for you.
150.
No, I just put like tissue and then I sit. I'm not risking my uterus fucking falling out just because
How fragile do you think your uterus
Dude,
is?
it's a thing. Just talk to Dr. Cuterus keeps talking about how you should sit and it's much worse for you.
Exactly why there should be inventions for women. They've been peeing
Yeah.
since the beginning of time, one would argue.
Why do men get that urinal?
Yeah.
I
I
hate
wanna know.
dicks. They're the bane of my existence.
I also, I'm trying to think of what else. I hate getting stupid drunk. Like,
Yeah.
there are some people who, and I've noticed this a lot with guys, like, they can get drunk and you won't be able to tell if they're drunk or they're not. Some guys have
Some
that.
guys.
I'm like, he's like, I'm faded right now. I'm like,
And then they get out of
You
their
look-
car and
Yeah.
start driving straight.
they're just perfectly normal. Like, and I'm like, yeah, I'm
Yeah.
the fucking best person in this world. Like, don't try to fuck with me.
I start like slouching. Yeah. I also hate shower sex.
That jumped so
Yeah.
fast.
I was thinking about dick and then
Yeah.
I was thinking about men and I was like, what do I hate? Shower sex.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that women and men intrinsically like different body temperatures and
Yeah.
shower water temperature.
Also, correct me if I'm just dating the wrong guys. But like the lifting and fucking.
Bro, I don't want to like break my spine. Like, I don't want to
No.
be that
You'll be
person who's
slip.
lying in a hospital because she tried to get freaky one time.
In the shower. And Bombay showers are just not a vibe. Like, there's not enough space for one person to go.
Only affluent people can do it because they have access to slightly bigger
Bigger
bathrooms. If you go to like those old houses in Bandra that have that tin door, like your head is already touching the ceiling.
Yeah, it's just not happening.
I hate like having parties, right? I like a good house party. But I don't like going to like clubs where things get messy. I'm kind of like wary of the stoner group at a house party.
Yeah.
Because everyone's like trying to play WWF trump cards. Like, this is, oh, you smoke this, I smoke
OG
this.
Kush.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I also
I believe
like
you.
I'm not a very like touchy-feely person, and I don't like how hippies dance. Like, it's too abstract. Like the hands.
Oh, yeah.
Like the fingers are like
I feel like we're too uptight
yeah.
to get that.
I'm
We're
like, I can't even separate my
Yeah.
elbow from my stomach because I'm so stressed in that situation. There's just like somebody with a bindi on and an
let
agarbatti and a
loose.
crop
And she's
top.
never Indian.
She's Indian also.
Oh.
She's Indian, but she's like trying to be ethnically ambiguous.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's always an NRI who's come
It's
to
always
find their
been an-
roots.
Yeah. I also don't like when there's no space to sit at a house party.
Oh my gosh.
Don't make me stand.
I don't like when there's only old monk as an option at a house party.
Or room temperature beer. Just put it in the fridge. It's not that hard.
It's not that hard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I also hate when like people try to convince you to do neat shots.
Oh.
I'm 27. I cannot take that shit anymore. Yeah.
And oh my god, as an adult, how do you still not have the like awareness that you're the last person at the party and you're not leaving?
Just leave.
Just go home. Like,
Yeah.
the sun has risen. The anda wala has brought like the doodh and stuff in the morning. This,
Didi breakfast mein kya banana hai?
this guy's not leaving. He's like, bro, I just fucking love house parties, man.
They're the best.
What kind of weed do you grow?
But I also hate people that are too late. Like, don't tell me you're coming at 7 p.m. and then show up at 8:30. It pisses me off because I could have gone to the gym and showered.
Yes.
Like, don't keep me waiting. If you're going to take 45 minutes, tell me 45 minutes instead of saying, oh, I'll be there in 5 minutes. Like, be respectful of my time.
For some people, time is an abstraction.
Yeah.
Not to throw her under the bus, but Natasha.
Natasha is a citizen of the world.
I don't know when I'll see Natasha, but I know she'll be there.
Yeah.
She's that friend. She's
Yeah.
gonna be there through thick and thin, but her entry is like a villain in a South film.
Yeah.
You don't know which part. Like,
But it comes in
aa
at some
jayegi.
point.
Impact ke saath aayegi. And for me,
She's
time is
stressed.
logic. Like
Same.
1 second equal to 1 second, 2 seconds is equal to you're dead to me.
Yeah, same.
And from that point
if I have to leave somewhere at 12 p.m., I'm ready to by 11:55, and then I sit for exactly 5 minutes before leaving.
But you know what happens? I'm ready like 10 minutes before to leave, and then some chaos happens in the last 5 minutes, namely me trying to take a selfie and getting
Yeah.
stressed. And then I forget everything that I was supposed to take with me on the journey. And then I have to go to town 2 hours away, and my phone's on 10% battery, and I'm.
Dude, I count like if I have to go out and I have to carry my bag, my phone, and 2 other things, I'll be like, okay, 4. And then like as I'm leaving, I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I'm at 3, then I cannot leave.
I think the best thing you can do for any man in your life is buy them a small bag, a daily bag, so that when they want to put their dark glasses, they have somewhere to put them. House keys, they have
Dark
somewhere.
glasses.
Oh, sorry, shades. Like, make men as self-sufficient as they think they are.
But they have pockets.
No, but it feels more cozy in your bag.
I hate men asking me to hold stuff for them.
Yeah.
It's my biggest pet peeve. Or like, when you're in the kitchen.
And I love men who ask me to like hold stuff for me. Like you hold
Yeah,
my
yeah.
bag.
Like just hold the bag. Like,
Yeah.
that's fine.
I love like looking at a guy who's holding his girlfriend's like
tote, yeah.
tote bag or like a little like armpit bag, and it works really well
It
with the
does
outfit
work
and
really
everything.
well. I also hate when like you're in the like when you get up to do work, someone gives you like, hey, can you do this also?
Yeah.
No.
No, I can't do it.
It's so irrational, but like I know I've gotten up to do work, but in my head it's like you waited. You wanted this for 40 minutes and you were waiting कि साक्षी उठेगी, इसको मैं काम दूंगा, even though why? Why are you doing that? Stupid.
At this point, I'm like, I only see it when the other person does it. I'm sure that I'm doing
I
10
don't-
irritating things.
Yeah.
But we'll let that be for this
Hey,
podcast.
This is to be a hater, you
Yeah,
know.
this is to be
I'm
a
sure
hater.
I do that. Yeah.
What do you do that you hate?
I hate that I'm so perfect.
I hate that I'm so messy. Today, Sakshi Kivan gave me the best compliment that I can hope
Yeah.
for. She's like, there's organized chaos.
There is though. Your room's not that messy.
It's not.
Yeah.
I really worked hard. I have so many before videos of my room because I feel like one day I'll turn it into a vlog. But then by the time I'm ready to take the after video, a brand brief has come in and my room is like,
It takes one brand brief to ruin the aesthetic.
yeah, fully.
It's just that one like 9x16 frame that's empty.
Yeah.
And dude, today I was recording a Get Ready with Me for the pod, and behind there's just a pile of socks. Clean. I hope.
I hope. I hate that I'm a hoarder. Like, I can hoard everything. Like, I know if I order something at a restaurant and it's remaining, I'll pack it. But I know I'll bring it home and I won't eat it. But then it'll lie in the fridge for 1 week. And
Then you have to throw it.
no, even then I don't throw it. I will fucking fight to the death every time.
Mold
every
is
morning.
growing.
Yeah, they're like, we're gonna throw this. We're gonna throw this. No one's eating. I'm like, no, I'm going to eat it. I'm going to eat it for in the evening. I'm going to eat it, and I swear it's like green. 10 days
Lord.
later, I'm like, fuck, why can't I just let go? And this is something like my entire family does. Every packet that comes into the house, every jar, everything cannot be thrown. It's so emotional. I'm like, you don't even know this jar on a
Yeah.
first name basis. Like, why are you fighting for its entire family? My mom's like, you never know
When you'll use.
when you might get like too much like haldi and you need to
You
put it
need
in
the jar, yeah. No, I don't have that sort of. I'm the opposite, which also I hate, where it's like I will not overeat one bite. I'm like, it's okay. If no one wants to take it, no one takes it. I'm okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, like, if there's anything in the fridge for more than one day, I'm like, it's time.
I
Toodles.
hate that I'm actually not a bad driver.
Oh.
I'm a good driver. I just don't have self-confidence. And I
Oh.
hate that I just can't take a car out and just go and do it. Like, I feel like that's my failing as a woman. I still need like a man to drive me around. I'm like, come on, just park
Just
the
do
car.
it.
You can parallel park. You can parallel
Yeah.
park. But like, I just can't. And I'm like, every day I risk my life and I enter an Uber. I know that that guy drives so badly. Half the time
Yeah.
he's like falling asleep behind the wheel. I'm always staring at the rear view because I'm like, is this guy okay? They're also so like overworked.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I'm handing my life over every day to a person I don't trust. But when I slightly bump a car,
It's the end of the world.
yeah,
right?
like he's allowed, but
Me as a woman, how could I do that?
it's because once, okay, I was like really in the moment and I was driving. It was raining. So I was listening to Ocean Eyes by Billie Eilish and I was just like vibing out. Like there was a turn and I turned to the music.
Oh.
And like I don't drive fast at all, but it nicked like a scooter.
If I bump into a car of little fendy bendy,
Yeah,
if you
literally.
must, I don't get out of the car. I'm like a BST bus driver. I'll lose my job if I get out from the driver's seat. I just say sorry, sorry, sorry like that. And then I go home and I assess the damage. I never get out of the car. It's not my fault. Bombay driving is an
Oh my
extreme
God.
sport.
It is an extreme
I-
sport.
I'm just a girl.
Dude, it's like it's a one lane road that's anyway divided into two lanes.
Yeah.
Then there's people. Then there's carts. Then there's shops. Then
No,
there are the
the-
shops outside the shops.
What is it called?
Bikes.
Yes.
That thing.
Horrible.
Yeah.
And I hate when people in Mumbai only cross on a zebra crossing though.
No, you should only cross on a zebra crossing.
Nobody is adhering to the zebra crossing.
Everyone should. It's the other 50 people, and then they freaking look at you like, how can you accuse me of crossing the road when it was your right of way? I'm like, you dude.
Dude, Suvrat made me wait at a walking red signal
Hmm.
at a zebra crossing. I was like, no, I'm gonna jaywalk. It is my passion. Like jaywalking shouldn't even be a crime, you know? It's so petty. Like your zebra crossing, cause zebra is off the fucking road. Like, let me cross where I have to.
Okay. Okay.
Unless I'm in the car, then you fucking cross at a zebra cross. I'm a
Like,
hypocrite. I
there
hate
are many
that.
times on the road that I want to pick a fight because the other person is wrong. But then there are so many, like, groups of dudes. I'm like,
Yeah.
what if I.
Piss off the wrong person.
Yeah, and then, like, who will help me? I know
No.
everyone's going to turn the other way real
Yeah.
quick. Like, I got out of Dadar station at night, and I was kind of looking for my taxi, and I'm going on the road, and suddenly this guy comes from the back, and he just grabs my ass. And he walks, and he's not even the audacity to walk kahin main chup jaun. Like a fucking douche. He's standing right there, and I turn. There's like, it's a full street. Like, I turn to the guys next to me. I'm like, sir, आपने देखा उसने मुझे छुआ. He's like, किसने? I was like, उसने. And they turn to him. They're like, हम उसे नहीं जानते. That's it. That was the entire interaction. I was like, what?
I hate that.
I
Like,
hate
that
that so
fucking
much.
sucks.
I hate like being violated. So I don't know why it needs to keep being said.
Yeah.
Why can't you just not fucking grab my breast? Why can't you just not grab my
Yeah.
ass? Why can't you just like keep a distance? Why can't the cops come to my help when I ask
Yeah,
them?
that's the
Why
thing, and
can't the
then-
men on the road help me when I'm saying, sir, this man has molested
Yeah.
me? How can you look the other way? And he's not even like a hatta katta dude. Like,
He's just like some pidda, like,
Yeah.
and then like, it's so pissing off that they think that they can just like,
touch you.
Touch
So
you.
many points in my life where I've been eve teased and groped and stuff. And there have been like guys next to me, and everyone has frozen. And I'm like, okay, like first I used to get a bit like upset. I'm like, dude, did you not see that? Like,
Yeah.
why did you freeze? But then I feel like, okay, even they haven't been in that situation, and everyone's just hopeless and helpless. And I just feel so violent. You come home and you shower and you
yeah,
take
it's
that
just,
bath.
but it never leaves your body.
And every girl you talk to, they're like, oh, dude, let me tell you my
Yeah.
story. Dude, this girl I was telling you, right? The stylist, she was sitting in a rickshaw in Mumbai, and this guy aimed his pan spit on her breasts as Eve teasing.
Fucked up.
And when she came there, I was like, this is the first time I've heard of it. And another girl's like, no, it happened to me the other day. I was wearing shorts, and this guy said, oh, let me like spit pan on her legs.
I feel like fucking pan anyway is the worst, and then like to watch someone spit it out of their car window also makes
disgusting.
me want to vomit. But like that, I can't believe that men are like, oh,
Yeah. And then
that'll
they're
get her.
like, if she didn't look like Natalie Portman, maybe he wouldn't have spat pan on her. Like, I'm waiting for that to be the next response. But it's so
Bro.
fucked up. Like, if you want to, I'm happy with trolls, like, using their words. Again,
Yeah.
like, don't get, like, physical and
Physical.
shit. Yeah.
Dude, I have a story where like I slapped the guy for grabbing my ass. But again, it was in a club in Mumbai. I was surrounded by a bunch of my guy friends. You can't do that on the streets because you never know who's connected, like you said. And then, like, for slapping someone rightfully for violating you, you get into trouble.
You don't even know where you are. Like, you don't know
Yeah.
if that guy is, like, somebody who lives in that
Exactly,
neighborhood.
and then 40 people come. Like, it's not safe to kind of confront someone like by yourself in public. But because I was in a club in Mumbai, and I thought, someone will come to my aid. He grabbed my ass. I turned around and I fucking rubbed out him straight in the face. Okay, I was like, I don't give a fuck. And he looked at me and he was like, what the fuck? Why would you do that? And I was like, I told my friend, I was like, he grabbed my ass. And he was like, no, I didn't. And then it was like his word against mine. And I was like, there's no one else fucking behind me. And I know you fucking grabbed my ass. And then my friends got into a fight with him anyway.
I love how like every time somebody comes out with a story, they're like, she's lying. I'm like, yeah, isn't it fun for her to like sit at home and be like, yeah, you know, like he molested me, but like
Yeah.
let me just for funsies, like put it out there, take all the internet hate, like, you know, deal with the
Yeah.
cops, deal with this
It's like
person.
she's saying it for attention. No, she's
No.
only getting negative attention for saying it. First of all, it takes so much to fucking come out and say it because it's embarrassing that some fucking lukka from the street can just touch you whenever. It's like fucked up. So no one's gonna lie about it. And don't cite one case where someone lied about it.
Who won?
Who
Who
won?
won? Which woman has won that other women come out and be like, इसके जैसे बनना है.
Yeah.
इसने किया मैं भी करूंगी and we're gonna like be bawling with the lawsuit
Yeah.
money. No
Let's
one.
yeah, like first you go to a cop station, they're like, आपने पहना क्या था? Like so it's not a fun experience
Not
for
at
anyone.
all.
Dude, even the Bombay thing that happened at Bastion,
gosh, yeah.
she literally said it from an anonymous account and people are like smear campaign, like
This is that same thing where that whole thing that's happening on the internet where they're like men are like, oh, these women are gold diggers. I'm like, bro, you are.
तेरे पास पैसे है क्या?
कौन से?
Hey, the higher ups are like, तुमने पहना क्या था? The lights are off now, so we have to move on from this topic. But yes, we hate molestation, and we hope you hate molestation too. If we don't laugh, we'll cry basically. But
Basically.
let's. What else? Do you hate eggs? I'll tell you what, I don't hate
Yeah,
eggs a lot.
I love
but
eggs.
like one time if I get the ick with eggs, then I can't eat it for a bit.
Yeah, when you taste the rawness of the yolk.
Yeah. Dude, in the middle, don't at me, but I was eating like eggshell after it was boiled, like you know, in a boiled egg. But I had a calcium deficiency.
You can eat chalk also if you have a calcium deficiency.
Yeah. Or you can take calcium
Or
tablets.
you can take calcium tablets.
Do you like chavan prash? Did your mom ever make you have chavan
I
prash?
actually really like chavan
Same.
prash. Like it used to make me break into sweats because
Really?
it produces so much heat in your body. But I always had that fantasy of holding that, that weapon and the sword that was they were doing.
Yeah, yeah.
Kalari Payattu in the Chavan Prash ad. And I was like, one day I too will be an ancient Indian warrior.
Do you think Popeye was having spinach or do you think he was smoking weed?
No, he wasn't doing either because the only way you can build that kind of muscle definition is if you're like
Steroids.
eating protein. Just like.
In the steroids convo,
Yeah.
eating protein, I don't like people that lie about being natty,
Natty
natural.
in supplements, in filler, in
Yeah,
this,
in
that.
anything. Like
Yeah.
if you like edit your photos, be honest.
Yeah. And I feel like if nothing else, this conversation will induce my period. Because
And the white pants.
and the white pants, oh my god, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
So
we're getting a phone call.
yeah. Oh,
Oh. Hello? Yeah, one sec.
for me?
For you.
Sir. आपको मेरे से बात करनी थी?
मैं बात करूँ तुमसे नहीं हो रहा तो.
No, he's saying what I know he's saying.
Oh, what is he saying?
He's saying खत्म करो ये रोना.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we'll stop crying, sir. Yeah, we'll be more brand friendly and we're done. We're done. No one wants to hear how much we hate things. So I guess we'll see you next week where we love things. Bye.